everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Sorry I've been MIA for about a week, but I'm back now. Just wasn't feeling too well last week, and then I was having some issues with my phone, and that's how I record my videos. So anyway, I am doing a guest design team project for my Crafty Boutique. So I just made a couple of things that I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys today. So let me go ahead and get started. I started out creating a couple of rosettes, and I used Anna Griffin rosette file that I had gotten free when I bought my Cricut. Let me go ahead and share this card. I put the rosette on a card, so let me go ahead and share the card first. So here's a fun summer card. I started out for the base using this pattern paper with the flamingos. It's so pretty, and you have this avocado green background. And then I did layer this yellow glitter cardstock, and I used one of my square stitch squares, this one right here from Pink Maine. And then just layered the ephemera pieces that my Cricut cut. So this again is Beach Babe from my Crafty Boutique, in case you missed that video that I did last week. It is a digital file, and then these are the ephemera pieces that you can print out and cut. So I did glue the flamingo right there. This is the floaty. I printed and cut this Hello Summer sentiment. The only thing I did different from my Cricut was that I just changed the background on the instead of the white background here, I did blue. So I did that. There's a couple of these leaves. I put one on this side and one here that I layered on top as well. And then I have a bunch of these starfish flatbacks. I don't remember where I got it, to be honest. I'm not sure if it was from Ali or from Amazon, but I've had it in my stash for a while, so I did use that. And then I used the Recollections pearls. These here, I knew I was going to use it for summer themed projects, and I think it went perfectly. And so I did just put some glossy accents on the places where I wanted to put the pearls, and also the little sequins, star sequins, so you can see there. So just to add some sparkle. And again, I did the starfish on each corners here. Use this Creative Mojo trim. And then here I did another one of those leaves, and I did just use my bone folder to kind of manipulate it, so it is a bit dimensional. I don't know if you can tell, but I just kind of glued it that way, as well as the umbrella here. So that's another print and cut piece there. So you have this kind of dimensional umbrella. So, and then the Polaroid as well. So I think they came out really cute. I love the way that card came out. And then here's the inside. I did line it with the rainbow paper, which is one of the patterns that she gave us. So I love this so much. And this rainbow paper I also used to create the rosettes. Look how pretty the rosettes came out. I love this. So I did add just a couple of the ephemera there. So, and then the back is just plain. So there's my first project. It's a cute little card, and I couldn't help but create more of these Shadowbox shakers. This time though, I made it smaller because I had to work, of course, with the 8.5 by 11-inch digital papers. So I did find a tutorial by the paper, what is she called? The paper Pixie, I think. I'll leave the link in the description box. But yes, I made these. I think they're 4.5. Yes, they're 4.5 by 4.5 shaker boxes. So look how cute this came out, right? And then as you can see, I used this pattern. I did make my papers double-sided. So as you can see here, like for this one, I did this here. And that's what's nice about the digital papers, is that you can make double-sided papers any which way you want. And so for this one here, I did a different pattern for the reverse side, which is another rainbow pattern, but it has different colors to it, different hues. If you watch the tutorial, you are able to create the full shadow box with the easel mechanism here that I created with just one sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. So that's really cool. So here's the ephemera piece right here, the surf's up, and this beautiful lady here. And then I showed you the pattern paper back there. I used some of my flat backs. These are Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio flat back resin pieces. So I absolutely love it. I think it went very, perfectly with this collection. And then I just have lots of shell sequins and also the clear sequins. Some of them are Alina Craft and also Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio and Michaels. Oh wait, this one doesn't have the Michaels. I'll show you that one in a minute. So isn't that pretty? So that's my first one. Of course I had to create several. So here's another background paper. From the Beach Babe, and I chose the one with the floaty and the beach ball and the little palm tree. You can see that. And then this banner here that I was able to print and cut as well. And then I made my own frame, again using the stitch squares, and then use some more of those resin pieces. And then look at this fun ephemera piece again that I was able to print and cut, and use lots of the same sequins, except for I did add the pearls on this one. I just love all that movement inside. And then I just love this palm tree. I think this was a separate piece that I did glue on there. So there's the second one. The back looks like that. So cute. And I love how you can just display it, and you can just stand it up and display it on your shelves. So there's the second one. And then for my third shaker, this is my favorite. I love it. And I did use the other rosette that I created, and I put it on this shaker. And then this is another ephemera piece. I did cut the bottom part of it because this was a little bit more, rectangular. I did cut some of the, like the plank on the bottom here that was showing. I did fussy cut that, and then I did some layering here. So this is one piece right here with the pineapple, but then I added another pineapple, and then I also added the drink as well as this piece. So these are all separate pieces. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4 layers right here that I just kind of clustered. And I think it went well with this paper because this paper in the back has the pineapples and the drinks. So, and I love it. I just absolutely love this rainbow pattern. It's become my, like, one of my favorite patterns in this digital download. So there's that. So I love the way these came out. I hope you guys liked it too. So leave me a comment. Let me know which one is your favorite. I already told you my favorite. I love this Aloha one right here. But these are my projects for this week for my Crafty Boutique. So thank you so much for stopping by today, and leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll leave the link to my Crafty Boutique in the description box if you want to check out this Beach Babe digital paper download. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later.